Good morning, students. Now the next question: if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram, find x and y. So here they given 4 points and they given is a parallelogram. They are asking to find x value as well as the y value. So in a parallelogram, the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. We know already. Again, the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So, diagonal AC and BD, the midpoint are equal. So, for this one, you want to find the midpoint. So, I write the midpoint formula. Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Okay. How will you find the midpoints? A and C. The middle value is midpoint. So, I take A and C. Write the A value 1, 2 and C value x, 6. Likewise for BD, B value 4, y, D value 3, 5. Substitute these points in the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So write this side AC and that side BD. Between the equal symbol is there. So I find midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So now equating the terms, see the first term 1 plus x, that side first term 4 plus 3. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 2 cancel, so x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is x is equal to 6. Because I am going to equating the terms, the midpoint I have 2 terms, one is x, another one is y. Okay. So now I want to equating the remaining terms. So what's remaining term? 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. So you know 2 plus 6 is 8, so 8 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Cancelling the 2, so we have y is equal to 8 minus 5. So y is equal to 3. So I find the values of x and y. Now the next question, find the coordinates of A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. So dear students, coordinates means we are going to find the points. It have x value as well as y value. So I want to find the point, and what I given AB is a diameter. So I want to draw a circle and see the circle. In the circle AB is a diameter. The midpoint, that is center, is C. Okay, that's they given 2, minus 3. So I want to write midpoint formula. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here I don't know the A value, so I will take that is x, y, and B value they given, that is 1, 4. C value is the center, that is the midpoint. So I write midpoint is equal to formula. Midpoint formula I wrote. Okay. Now midpoint 2, minus 3 is equal to substitute x1 and x2 value and y1 and y2 value. Now equating the terms, here right hand side first number 2, left hand side the first term is x plus 1 by 2. So I write x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So x plus 1 is equal to 4. This division comes at multiplication. So x is equal to 3. Now see the second terms, here minus 3, that side y plus 4 by 2. So y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 6. This plus 4 comes at minus 4. So we have y is equal to minus 10. Therefore the coordinate of A is 3, minus 10. Thank you.